Here's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the possibilities you can explore by having a command over the caged system on the guitar. Let's take a C chord up at the 12th fret. It's a closed C chord that happens to look like a C. You can see it like that, right? We're just playing it up here. We're going to combine that with a C chord that looks like a D, right? You can see that shape. You'd normally play a D, but in a different key there. So we got this C shape, we've got the D shape, and then we'll go one more down and we'll look at the E shape. So we've got, this looks like an E chord, you can see that, an E chord, a D chord, and a C chord. We're barring them all. Now there are scales, chords, and arpeggios, and corresponding pentatonic patterns that go with each one of these chords that I've outlined. We'll start here. Major scale. Arpeggio. Pentatonic scale. You can do the same here. Scale. Arpeggio. And a corresponding pentatonic scale. Same here. Here's an arpeggio that is covering that chord shape. Scale. Pentatonic. So by taking little pieces of all of that information, you can play around in a way that isn't boxed into one particular area, that gives you tons of different phrasing options, and pretty much just makes you a more musical and fun player. The key is that you're taking these scales, chords, arpeggios, pentatonic patterns, all these things, and you're not looking at them as just a chord or just an arpeggio. You're not looking at them as single tools. You're looking at them as combined tools. When you take any one of these positions and you go, oh, look, the chord, I see that chord within that scale. Well, because that chord lies within the scale, there are notes around it that work to modify or to play with that chord. Or you can look at it as having access to several different mindsets as you're playing through the different positions. Let me just demonstrate. Basically what we're doing is we're taking pieces of each one. We're not drilling each one as a whole. We're just taking pieces. C shape. D shape. Arpeggio there. Pentatonic. Back up to the C shape. D, and we'll go to the E. Back up to the D shape. E. So we're musically utilizing the vehicles all together and sort of seamlessly using the C shape, the D shape, and the E shape. And after a while, things kind of blend together, but it truly is a way to map out your neck. And you can learn more with the complete live 10-week course at jamplay.com called Fretboard Roadmap Caged Edition. Hope to see you there.